A big warm welcome back here, ladies and gents. Welcome back. My name is Joseph James. It's been another good day here in the live trade room. School of Trade, Sideways Markets. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Now, before we go any further, I do want to remind you guys we're going to have a new format here in the trade room starting as of today. We'll be doing members training after 11:30 Eastern Time, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So if you're a member, log into your advanced course under live events. You'll see this document there. We'll have all the links you guys need to register Monday through Thursday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday will be members only after 11:30. Now today, right now, it's 11:50 right now. So there will be times when we'll be here till about 12 o'clock. We're not going to stop trading for, to transition, but we definitely will once things slow down here. We'll take some basic questions from guests, and we'll jump over to members only training. I want to encourage all the guests to come join as a member, and we'll get you guys into our trainings every day where you can learn all the specifics we talk about there. And we really have some really good strategy moving forward, leveraging more training time together. So today, let's do a recap. Let's think about how we did today, what happened this morning. Had a great day, as you can see. Almost $1,000 on 4 contracts. We began our day today. Morning prep talked about it. We knew this morning had 2 major obstacles. The first obstacle was the FOMC meeting begins. Of course, the release will be tomorrow. And the second obstacle was we have our President Obama speaking with the State of the Union tonight. We knew yesterday morning, Monday morning, we knew things were going to be slow without any major news. And we knew that this morning might be also the same situation. And we definitely have got some slower price action today. Much better than we saw on that Sleepy Monday yesterday, but we definitely have had some concerns about price action this morning as well. Now, like I've always said, right, we never give up on our day. So we're not going to just look at it and say, well, we might as well not trade today. We're definitely going to put together our plan of attack, and we did a great job this morning at 7:30, 7:45, putting together a really good plan of attack. Now, the first clue we got this morning, again, we had to navigate through our news. We knew 10 o'clock may be the best time of the morning because of the Fed survey, right? Fed manufacturing survey. So the news gave us some clues. Some of the clues said, be patient, we may not get much today. The other clues told us 8:30, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, we'd get some pretty good action. And we definitely did. Now, what the first clue we saw today was the dollar, right? The dollar index really gave us a big clue, and this is actually how we made our first couple trades today. If you recall this morning, and again, we didn't know about the break of this channel. If you go back to your blog now, right, go back to the morning prep. If you go back to the morning prep here, let's close that out here. Go back to your morning prep. You're going to see we posted a snapshot of this blog. Okay, here was our dollar. And we talked about on the dollar this morning how we had this major turning point. And then if it broke, it would likely go up to the next major turning point. So we knew if the dollar was going to rise, that will give us selling opportunities on crude oil. To the opposite side, if the dollar was to fall to the other turning points below it, we would have buying opportunities. Well, what did we see happen? Fast forward now, we saw this thing break right through and go higher. Now you can see it definitely has failed, didn't go all the way up to that turning point above us, but it did pretty much what we thought it would. It would start to rise above that turning point. Remember, support and resistance is nothing more than when we expect traders to react. So we expect traders to react around this time. If they react with buy pressure or with sell pressure, we're going to wait and see. So the first clue we got this morning was the dollar. The dollar at 8:30 starts pushing through its turning point. So dollar's rising at 8:30. What do you think we're doing? We're looking to sell. And that's where we got our first 3 trades today, right? First 4 trades today. Looking to sell, looking to sell, looking to sell. So the first trade we saw this morning, after 8:30, we also had found a bear price channel. You can see that channel here, right, a mile away. Now, I left the channel up there for illustration purposes, obviously, here, but you can see a mile away. We got 1 wave pattern, 2 wave patterns. Now, the second one, obviously, was a little bit higher risk, or a little bit sloppier, I should say, but it was also a 21 wave as well, so it was kind of counterbalanced that. So we began our day after 8:30. We get a new lower low in price, 8:45, and we take it a wave pattern short. It's a bear price channel. We had broken through the lows of the wedge. We're looking good. So our first trade this morning is a wave pattern short.